Hello, I am Maria Jose and today I'm going to make a short description for a family member and myself. For begin, I will talk about my daughter. Her name is Antonia and she is 6 years old. Antonia is a thin and a tall girl, although her face is round and her cheeks are big. I love her cheeks, are red like an apple. Her eyes are the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen. Are brown with monolith shape, like Asian people, you know. Her nose is turned up with tunnels, and I have to say, her eyelashes and her eyebrows are like her mother. Mm, the hair, her hair is like her father, brown and curly, but she has long hair. Well, the next person is me. I am 28 years old. I am a short woman and I don't like to talk about my weight because I have a little overweight. But I am a slang woman. I love to do workout, so my muscles are big. Okay, that's it. I have a square face and Roman nose, and my eyes are green with almond shape. I use glasses just for width, and my lips are small, but my mouth is big. It's funny. I am blonde woman, and my hair is wavy and long. And that's it. That's the descriptions. Bye.